Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to change background from gallery in Viber. Firstly, get up into the settings on your Viber account and then simply go up on the side which is appearance. Go for it, and here as you can see you have many options to get up in. Go for change default background and then go on your upper side by selecting the first selection which is for gallery section. And here guys, you need to choose up a photo that you want to get up from your gallery to take up into your background. Now for example, we'll go with, I don't know, with this one, and here you need to select the setup in which is going to be selected that side to be on your background. For example, this one, go save, and now get back, go into a chat section to try out the site. And now as you can see guys, with this we have changed background from gallery in Viber. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.